So today we're going to make some quick air fryer zucchini fries. So I've already cut up my zucchini, and you just want to cut it up into whatever size that you think you might enjoy. I've got some egg here that I've just beat up. I also have some panko here, and I put some basil in there. I'm going to just put a little bit more. You could also use fresh basil if you had it available to you. And then I'm also going to add in some garlic powder. And I'm also going to add in some onion powder. Some fresh pepper. And I'll add in about 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm also going to be mixing this with some Parmesan cheese, so I don't want to add too much salt, but I've got about a quarter of a cup to 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now this is finely grated. I used a microplane. If you're not familiar with a microplane, this is what they look like. And I just grated some fresh Parmesan cheese using that. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Get all of that parm nice and incorporated. And then into that bowl, I'm going to add some flour. This is unbleached King Arthur flour. And the first thing that I'm going to do, well, let me back up. I also have my air fryer basket ready to go with a parchment round in the bottom. I'm going to take my zucchini and I'm just going to lightly coat it in the flour. And what that does is that just helps it absorb some of that water, kind of the dewiness of the zucchini, and that's going to just help the egg stick a lot better. So then I'm going to go ahead and toss it in my egg, get that coated. Let some of that drip off, and then I'll get it nice and coated. And then from there, I'll just go ahead and pop it into my air fryer container. And I'll go ahead and do that again. So dredge it in the flour, throw it into the egg, get it coated with some egg, kind of pull some of that excess off, throw it into your panko. Get it nice and coated with panko. So it's your panko, garlic, onion, and basil Parmesan cheese mixture. And then from there, we'll just put it right into the air fryer basket. And that's it. So I'm just going to go through and get these all coated. And then I will give them a light spray with some non-stick cooking spray. And that's just going to help them kind of crisp up when they're in the air fryer. I will also go through periodically and flip them over just to make sure they're getting crispy all the way around. So air fryers vary from model to model, but I'm just going to use the air fryer setting on it and kind of whatever the default temperature is for that, which I think is like 390, but you could go up to 400 degrees. All right, so these are all ready to go. I'm just going to give them a little hit of nonstick spray, 390 for up to 20 minutes. You want to check them at the 10-minute mark and then flip them. And into the air fryer they go. Our zucchini air fryer fries are all done. They're nice and crisp. Enjoy them with a side of ranch or whatever type of dipping sauce you like. And these are great any time of the year. Enjoy!